Good day everyone, I am Daisy Malay Gutierrez and I am going to tackle some topics of our lesson in facility management. To give you an overview, here are the topics that our group will present. We're going to present the introduction, examples, types, and importance of the two topics about facility management, which are the maintenance and law compliance. For the overview, on the first part of our lesson in facility management, we have learned that maintenance is one of the responsibility of a facility manager. Based on the video provided by Sir Ato in our elements about maintenance in facility management, maintenance is defined as a division of the factory that ensures the availability of machines and equipment to perform their function at optimum condition with the development of the special purpose machine and equipment. On a bigger perspective, maintenance involves functional checks, servicing, repairing, or replacing of necessary devices, equipment, machinery, building infrastructure, and supporting utilities in industrial business and residential installations. As the fast-paced Fourth Industrial Revolution dawns, the effective maintenance and management of a facility are becoming increasingly important. Buildings are getting smarter, technology is getting more sophisticated, which needs to be managed effectively to avoid business disruption and effectively leverage data insights. This is where having a dedicated facility manager comes in. Facilities managers are generally responsible for ensuring everything to do with the physical infrastructure of the business is running as it should, as well as identifying areas for greater efficiency and cost saving. Here are the objectives of plant maintenance. First, the maintenance division ensures the availability of machine and equipment to perform their function at optimum condition. Moreover, its objective is to achieve a minimum breakdown and to keep the plant in excellent condition at the lowest possible cost. And lastly, keep the plant in such condition that it should run without interruption. So what does a facility manager do in terms of maintenance? The typical functions of a facility manager vary from company to company. In general, facilities managers are responsible for the maintenance and upkeep of an organization's buildings, ensuring that they meet legal requirements and health and safety standards. Facility managers operate across different business functions, working on both a strategic and operational level. Facility management professionals are tasked with providing, maintaining, and developing a number of different services such as property strategy, space management, communications infrastructure, building maintenance, testing and inspections, building administration, contract management, EHS or the environment, health and safety, security, facility maintenance planning, and managing renovations and refurbishment. For the final notes, before I end my presentation, I would like to summarize some points of what I have discussed earlier. Generally speaking, the role of the facility manager is to ensure that the facility is operating as it should on a daily basis by completing daily inspections and conducting proactive and reactive maintenance. Its major functions are ensuring that basic facilities are well maintained and planning for the future by forecasting the facility's upcoming needs and requirements. It is important to note that maintenance is an important factor in quality assurance and in some cases determines the long-term success of a company. I hope you learned something and that would be all. Thank you.